In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove these weather update and news update on your Windows 10 computer. As you can see, if I hover over it, it will show me the current weather updates as well as the current news updates. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So let's get into it. To completely remove these updates, all you need to do is to right click on your taskbar. And from here, look for the option called News and Interest. Then go ahead and choose the option called Turn Off. When we click on it and come back to our taskbar, now you can see the news and weather updates have gone. And this will turn them permanently unless you go ahead and reactivate them or return them on. So that's how you remove the news and weather updates on your Windows 10 computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.